Hi dear students, welcome back to online classes. Today we are going to learning about new topic electronic configuration. It is very important topic. Listen carefully. Before we discuss the topic, once you remember definition of shell. What is shell? The electron revolve around the nucleus in fixed path called orbits or shell or energy levels. The energy levels are represented as a K, L, M, N, and also it is represented as numbers. K shell 1, L shell contain 2, M shell contain 3, and N shell contain 4. There is a limit to the number of electrons each energy level can be hold. Where n equal to 1, K shell, n equal to 2, L shell, n equal to 3, M shell, n equal to 4, N shell. So here n is a number of shells present in a atom. The center of the atom contains positively charged nucleus. So now coming to the topic, electronic configuration. Definition of electronic configuration. The systematic arrangement of electrons in increasing order is known as electronic configuration. So how to arrange the electrons in increasing order? In previous classes we discussed about shells, subshells, number of electrons present in a shell. Each shell can contain only a fixed number of electrons. Suppose the first shell can hold up to 2 electrons. The second shell can hold up to 8 electrons. So that means 1s orbital, 2s, 2p orbitals. Third shell can hold up to 18 electrons, the arrangement of electrons. And fourth shell, the electrons will up to arranging 32 electrons. The general formula is that the nth shell can be present in a shell principal hold up to 2n square. To find the number of electrons present in a shell, what is the formula? 2n square. Let us discuss how to electrons in present in increasing order. You can follow some rules. In that rule, first one, diagonal rule. So you can observe the diagram. The electrons present in increasing order, that means 1s, 2s, 2p. So here 1s is a first cell, 2s, 2p contain second cell, 3s, 3p, 3d contain third cell, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f contain fourth cell, and fifth cell 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, sixth cell 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, and seventh cell 7n, 7p, and so on. So you can observe diagram clearly. So follow the tail of first arrow. So the arrow will be present in downside to its tip, then go to the second arrow. So next one increasing order. So write the increasing order. First one is 1s, second one 2s after 2p, and third shell that means 3s, 3p after 4s, 4s after 3d, and 4p, 5s, 4d. So why they present 3p after 4s orbital? So what is the reason? So generally we need to follow some rules, that is we discuss later. Based on diagonal rule, we will discuss the electronic configuration of 1 to 20 elements. Once you remember these points, S orbital always present in 2 electrons, p orbital 6 electrons, d orbital 10 electrons, f orbital 14 electrons. So it is useful to write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of 1 to 20 elements. Atomic number 1, hydrogen. Electronic configuration 1s1. Atomic number 2, helium. Electronic configuration 1s 2. Lithium atomic number 1s2, 2s1. So here 1s orbital contain only 2 electron. The next electron enter into the next shell. That means second shell. Fourth atomic number beryllium 1s2, 2s2. In this atom also completely filled electrons, 2s orbital. Atomic number 5 boron 1s2, 2s2. So next level 2p1. Atomic number 6 carbon. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Atomic number 7 is nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. You can observe in this 3, 2p1, 2p2, 2p3. When atomic number is increased 5, 6, 7, and also increasing the number of electrons. Atomic number 8 oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Atomic number 9 fluorine 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Atomic number 10 neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Second shell also completed. In that second shell contain 2s and 2p. Next one atomic number is 11 sodium. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next shell, third shell is enter into the electron 3s1. Atomic number is 12 magnesium. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Three is 2. So total how many electrons is there? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12. So atomic number 12. Thirteen aluminum 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So after 3p orbital 3p1. Atomic number 14 silicon. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Atomic number 15 phosphorus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Next one atomic number 16 sulfur. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Atomic number 17 chlorine. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So all 3p orbital the number of electrons is increasing. What is the reason? And also increasing the number of atoms. Atomic number 18 argon. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p, 6. Atomic number 19. Potassium. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. So completely 3p orbital. Next enter into the 4s shell. 4s1. Total 19 electrons. 20. Atomic number 20. Calcium. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So these are the electronic configuration of 1 to 20 elements.